Good morning all of you. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, changes in the transport. Now first of all we will study the history of a wheel. You have heard that first of all the wheel discovered. The wheel discovered, after that many vehicles discovered like bicycles, trucks, motor buses, etc. because they are working with the help of wheels. So wheel plays an integral part in our life. Wheel plays an integral part in the transport system. So wheel is the main part of transport system because with the help of wheel many buses, cars, motorbikes move on the roads. Next is rural transport. Now what is rural? Rural means related to the villages. Rural means related to the villages. The vehicles which are used in the villages are the rural transport, that is bicycles, bullock carts and tractors. Most of the time bicycles, bullock carts and tractors are used in the villages. Tractors are used in farming in villages. Bicycles and bullock carts are used for the transport of goods from one place to another. Next point is urban transport. Urban means related to the towns and cities. The vehicles which are used in towns and cities are the urban transport. Vehicles used in towns and cities are the urban transport, such as buses, trucks, cars. Buses, trucks and cars are used in the urban areas, so these are urban transport. I hope you clear history of wheel, rural transport and the urban transport. Now moving on, we will now describe transport. Transport is further classified into three types, that is land transport, water transport and the air transport. Land transport, water transport and the air transport. Now what is land transport? Land transport, the transport that is used on the lands are the land transport. Like the vehicles used on the land are buses and trains. Some examples are also there. Sorry. Buses and trains are the example of land transport. Next is some super fast trains are also there that are used on the lands, that are some examples. Important examples of super fast trains are Rajdhani Express and the Shatabdi Express. These are the super fast trains which are used by many people to reach one place to another in small period of time. Next is small toy trains run in hilly areas. In the hilly areas such as Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, small toy trains are there to move from one place to another. Moving on, our water transport. What is water transport? Water transport means the transport used in water are the water transport, such as ships, steamers. Next is air transport. Air transport, what is air transport? The transport used in the air, like helicopters and aeroplanes are used in the air, so that is why they are called air transport. Moving on, now next topic we will do in the next video. Thank you so much.